Here at the Classic Competition Company, we're very excited to offer you a wonderful prize. This is a 1974 Ford Escort MK1 RS2000, and it's one of 4 in factory black paintwork. And as you can see, it's in concours condition. The last owner spent over £50,000 to get it to this standard. It's got original bodywork, matching numbers, and it's all AVO registered. It's got the AVO body. Doesn't mean a lot to me, but apparently that is what you should mention. All original bodywork. As you can see, it's in really, really fantastic condition. We're never going to do a prize like this again, just because the cost of it, for us to buy it, it was a fortune. So we'd be very lucky to break even on it, but we wanted to offer you guys a really, really special prize. So we're doing this for you to build our audience. So it's more of a marketing tool, I say, than we're actually going to make anything, but it's in fantastic condition, as you can see. All the interior is restored. Lovely RS wheels. Nice bit of wood panelling there. All lovely black interior. It's all been stripped down to bare metal, resprayed, ceramic coated, and in our opinion, we think it's in concours condition. It's been featured in 2 magazines as well, so really, really well-known car. And a very special prize for someone, and also you get £4,000 along with the car if you win it. So if you fancy a ticket, I'd get one if I were you, because we're probably not going to do one in this condition again. They're £4.95. You can go on our website, it's theclassiccompetitioncompany.com, and good luck if you enter, and thanks for your support. Wow, what a lovely machine.